In this video, we'll demonstrate how to remove and install the solid-state drive, or SSD. Before removing the SSD, read through the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at the Dell support site. Before you begin, ensure that you turn off your computer and all attached peripherals. Remove the microSD card, base cover, and disconnect the battery cable. To remove the microSD card, push and release the microSD card from the computer. To remove the base cover, loosen the 10 captive screws that secure the base cover to the computer. Using a plastic scribe, pry the base cover at the indents near the left and right hinges and continue to work on the sides to open the base cover. Then lift and remove the base cover away from the system. Disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the system board. Then turn the computer over and open the display. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to ground the computer and drain the fleet power. After draining the fleet power, close the display and turn the computer over. Now, let's remove the SSD. Gently peel off black tape and the metal foil that partially covers the SSD cover. Then, remove the screw that secures the SSD shield to the system board. Now, lift and remove the SSD shield from the system board to slide and remove the SSD from the slot. At this point, you've successfully removed the SSD. Now, let's see how to install the SSD. To begin, align and slide the SSD into the connector on the system board. Now, place the SSD shield on the SSD and replace the screw to secure it to the system board. You can now affix the metal foil and the black tape to secure the SSD in place. Once the SSD is installed, ensure to connect the battery cable, install the base cover and the microSD card back to the system. At this point, connect the battery cable to the connector on the system board. To install the base cover, align and place the base cover on the computer. You can press the edges and sides of the base cover until it snaps into place. Now, tighten the 10 captive screws to secure the base cover to the computer. Align and slide the microSD card into the slot in the computer until it clicks into place. This completes the process. For more information, see the service manual document at dell.com/support.